Does it feel good as a head of a big CEO at the moment? Is growth okay? Do you feel pretty positive about the outlook?
Yeah, the world's a fantastic place at the moment, and it's particularly good for those who want to invest, because we're seeing a shortage of people who want to be bold and get out there and invest in what is great science, great opportunities, enormous infrastructure deficits everywhere in the Western world. And if you step up, you can make a good return. Yeah,
but you're bold. A lot of people aren't, and this is what we're trying to figure out. You have still cheap money out there. Growth is increasing, and it seems to be steady. Inflation, you don't see much. So actually, it's a Goldilocks era for CEOs, but they're not investing. Why?
I think it's confidence. It's confidence of their shareholders, the board, and themselves individually, and that people are looking to short-termism, whereas in fact we should be looking out, and we're encouraging all the firms we invest in to invest for the long term. We will rarely have an opportunity like this, and history will judge us badly if we don't step up and invest. We know in the UK we have a massive productivity problem. 27% worse than the French, 35% worse than the Americans and the Germans. That's what we have to close, the productivity gap. The only way we're going to do that is by massive increase investment here in the UK.
Yeah, but then there's a line of thought that says, because of all this cheap money out there, it's been keeping zombie companies alive. So what if you get your investment projects wrong?
No, I think that's just a negative approach to life. I mean, we have been tremendously successful with a 20% plus ROE by doing exactly this, because other people haven't been willing to step forward and do this. The execution risks around many of these projects are relatively small, and people should be much more willing to step up. The great companies of the world, top market cap companies in America, they're all the biggest investors in the world. There's a massive correlation between the most successful companies and the biggest investment companies. We're in the second division, but we're hoping to get in the Premier League going forward.